Welcome to HiveHub Solutions. We bring options, guidance, and support under one roof, so customers can move forward with more confidence and less confusion. One roof, many solutions, one standard. People get tired of hearing no. HiveHub exists to help customers find another way. We slow things down, explain what is available, and help them understand the right next step. HiveHub Solutions is a connector between people and opportunity. We'll listen to the customer's real need, identify the right path, guide the process in plain language, and focus on a smoother customer experience. We offer solutions under one roof, including financing, home repairs, business loans, credit support, solar and batteries, and lower electric bill programs. We help customers find what fits based on eligibility and their needs. Our process is plain, simple, and smooth. Customers need clarity, not more confusion. We explain options in everyday language, set expectations for next steps, and keep communication organized and respectful. The HiveHub Bridge connects a customer's need with the right solution. We help build the path, strengthen the connection, and guide the decision, ensuring the customer never feels like they are crossing alone. Customers can expect a respectful, simple, and honest journey. This includes clear explanations, no pressure to choose an unfitting option, organized follow-up, and a team focused on helping, not confusing. For homeowners, HiveHub helps explore practical paths for comfort, cost, and improvement. This includes solar and battery options, home repair connections, credit and financing support, and lower electric bill opportunities. For business owners, we provide options that move with their goals. This includes capital and business loan opportunities, credit improvement, energy solutions, and connections to the right partners and programs. Our reps are trained to be guides, connectors, and problem solvers. They listen first, understand multiple solutions, maintain a clean information process, and treat customers like people, not transactions. The HiveHub standard is professional, prepared, accountable, and clear. We build trust by keeping the process organized and the communication direct. Our standard is simple. Explain clearly and follow up professionally. Your next step is simple. Tell us what you are trying to solve. We will help you share the need, review options, choose a path, and move forward. HiveHub Solutions. One roof, many solutions, one standard.